Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're looking for a budget-friendly microphone, so BOYA by CM1 desktop USB microphone is the best choice for you. So today in this video, we are going to be a unboxing and short review BOYA by CM1 desktop USB microphone. So let's unbox. So first of all, talk about the box content. You get one user manual, one USB Type A to USB Type C cable, and lastly our microphone. This is a condenser mic. Yeah, I know it's not look like any condenser mic. So what make the BOYA CM1 special? First up, plug and play. Just connect to your computer by USB and you are good to go. No additional driver needed. Another good side is you can use this microphone on your smartphone. What you have to do? You need USB Type C to USB Type C cable, then you can easily use this microphone on your smartphone. Next, the build quality is complete lightweight. Only these parts are made with the plastic, otherwise the full body is metal, so that feels solid on the decks. And you also adjust the angle 60° up and down, so the adjustable stand is perfect for getting the right angle while recording. This microphone you can get just one button. This button help you mute unmute just one click, and if you hold this button for a 5 seconds, the noise reduction effect are on. Then again, if you hold this button for a 5 seconds, the noise reduction effect are off. Now let's talk about the most important part, the sound quality. I have been using this microphone for a few days and honestly it's impressive the price. So what about the sound quality? This whole video are recording by BOYA by CM1 desktop microphone. So you guys get a pretty much idea about the voice quality. So this microphone is perfect if you are a YouTuber and streamer. Good idea for home studio or even on the go setup. It's budget friendly but it's deliver professional audio quality. So if your budget is very tight and you're looking for a best audio quality, so BOYA by CM1 is the best choice for you. So that pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.